Hi there, my name is Morgan Risden, and I'm the creator of Center Studio, where I teach people skills to feel more comfortable more often. Recently, I was teaching a group class, and one of the assignments had an individual in the class talking about, Morgan, I don't really like to do a lot of activities on a regular basis that don't include distractions. So what this student was talking about was doing an activity like cooking or cleaning or, driving someplace and then putting in a podcast or having the radio on or maybe the TV or something. This particular person said, I don't want to have to be with my thoughts. So I actually, on purpose, distract myself with other things. And now I feel as though this is very relatable. I think that this student is not alone. I think many of us do it, and for different reasons, right? And I'm not going to necessarily suggest that you never listen to a podcast when you're cooking again, or that you don't call a friend on a drive. But what I am going to be encouraging you is to consider, is there room before I start an activity to give myself 5 minutes, 10 minutes of just absence of a distraction, so that while I'm doing an activity, I can be paying attention to my use. How am I using my head? How am I using my hands and my feet and my arms? And am I comfortable? Does my body feel like whatever I'm doing right now, it's at its best and I'm set up for success? Or do I think I notice that there's an area that I could adjust or change so I'd be more comfortable? So for example, maybe I'm cleaning a bathroom, right? And I'm on the floor, and maybe it's like, I actually could clean this a little bit better if I had a different kind of scrub brush, which I know is downstairs and in a closet, but you know what? Okay, I'll take that time to get up and go get it, because I think it'll be a little bit easier and make this job feel more comfortable on my body. And then maybe press play on your podcast or what have you, so that you're always giving yourself an opportunity to be receptive of what your body is trying to communicate it needs. Because our mind, our hearts, our bodies are always trying to communicate with us. And if we're constantly being distracted and our attention is being pulled away in different directions, it doesn't leave much room for our body to communicate with us, right? And so sometimes then things will seep in, and it might be pain. It might be discomfort. And so one of the greatest ways that I know how to help eliminate that is really just by creating space in your day, or spaces in your day, where you can periodically check in and see what you could change to make yourself feel more comfortable. And I believe that by doing that, you're going to set yourself up for success, where all of a sudden now you're not waiting until the last minute and problems are really big, but you've noticed, as I was doing these different tasks, I was able to adjust so that I felt better. So anyway, I hope that this is something that you can give a try throughout your week. If you haven't already, I would love if you would subscribe. You can do so by hitting the button below. And of course, as always, you can share with your friends. Okay, until next time, take care. Ciao.